Hi everyone. In this video we'll be studying about the new chapter, which is transportation in animals and plants. So let's begin. Fine. Transportation I hope it's clearly visible. In animals and plants. Fine. So okay, it's clearly visible. So transportation, you better know what's the meaning of transportation. It means the transportation means the carrying of the goods or carrying of the materials from one place to another place by some medium, थ्रू सम मीडियम. लाइक अगर हमें कुछ बल्क में गुड्स ले जाने होते हैं फ्रॉम वन सिटी टू दी अनदर सिटी, सो व्हाट वी रिक्वायर इज़ अ ट्रक, मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड दी रोड्स. ठीक है, जिसके थ्रू हम जा सकें. तो दीज टू टुगेदर दे फॉर्म द ट्रांसपोर्टेशन सिस्टम. सो इट मेक्स ईजी फॉर द गुड्स विच आर इन बल्क to transport from one city to the another city. In the same way, the transportation in plants and animals, it works, but the difference is the transportation of the materials. ठीक है, तो इसमें क्या होता है, transportation in plants and animals, the transportation the example which I just gave you was the transportation of the goods. Here in the plants and animals, this transportation is all about the transportation of the substances like the nutrients, like water, oxygen, ठीक है, to each and every body cell, to each and every cell of our body. ठीक है, and the components, all the components which help in the transportation of these materials, that is nutrients, water and oxygen, they all comprise together to form a transportation system for a plant or an animal. ठीक है, so what does this transportation, पहले तो what the transportation, why this transportation, of what the transportation is all about. So transportation in the plant and animal body, एक second, I think it lost the focus. Fine. So in animals and plants body, this transportation is all about the transportation of the substances like water, oxygen and nutrients. ठीक है, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन एनिमल्स एंड प्लांट्स की बॉडी में आपका ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कुछ इस तरीके से, कुछ इन मटेरियल्स का होता है. फाइन. एंड द components which comprise together, which helps in the transportation of these materials, they all components, they comprise together and form a transportation system. ठीक है, so the transportation system, now we will be going in the detail of the main topic. ठीक है, fine, it is visible. So now transportation system, ठीक है, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन सिस्टम, ओब्वियसली ट्रांसपोर्टेशन सिस्टम आपका प्लांट्स में अलग होगा एंड एनिमल्स में अलग होता है. सो दिस ट्रांसपोर्टेशन सिस्टम, इट हैज़ गॉट different names in the plant and for the animals. So transportation system for the animals, it is termed as the circulatory system, and here I should write in the bracket animals. Fine. And for the plants, it is termed as vascular system. Fine. And it is, I should write for whom it is. It is for the plants. Okay. All right. So just now I told you that the components they help. There are only one organ cannot do. एक जन मिलकर के transportation नहीं कर सकता. Fine. So this transportation, it requires various components all together to work together as a team, and these all they come under this transportation system. Fine. So now what happens is, this transportation system it lost its focus. Okay, fine. So this transportation system in circulatory system, अभी हम vascular system in plants का transportation system जो vascular system बोलते हैं जिससे, उसको थोड़ा side रखते हैं. Now we'll be going on the detail of the circulatory system अभी के लिए. तो circulatory system मैंने अभी बताया था, एक जन मिलके तो ये काम नहीं कर सकता. There are certain different organs which help in the achieving this goal of transporting the substances to each and every cell of our body. So this circulatory system, सबसे पहले तो सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम हमारा, ओके आई शुड राइट अ सेपरेट हेडिंग फॉर इट. सो सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम, ओके फाइन. सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम नंबर 1. सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम का थोड़ा बहुत समझते हैं कि व्हाट सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम, आप इसको कैसे बताने वाले हो. ठीक है. तो सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम मैंने अभी बताया था कि आपका हेल्प करता है, ट्रांसपोर्ट करता है न्यूट्रिएंट्स को, चीज़ों को आपके हर एक बॉडी सेल तक पहुंचाने के लिए. तो सोचिए द system which is providing each and every substance which is required by each and every single cell of our body. It is providing all the nutrients to it, everything, all the materials which is required. Just it is transporting each and everything to all the body cells. तो समझ जाइए कि ये circulatory system हमारा एक तरीके से life support system हो गया. ठीक है. तो we can also say that our circulatory system, it is a life support system. Life support system. Why? Because as it provides the cells of our body with the food and the oxygen, which is the primary need of our body cells. ठीक है. Number 2, how is it important? Number 2, सबसे पहले तो इसने सब कुछ प्रोवाइड करवा दिया, फूड एंड ऑक्सीजन टू ईच एंड एवरी सेल ऑफ आवर बॉडी. तो लाइफ सपोर्ट सिस्टम तो इट इज़ डन. एंड नंबर 2, ऑल्सो हमारी बॉडी में जितना भी ज़्यादा हार्मफुल वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट होता है उसको इट टेक्स अवे. ठीक है. इट टेक्स अवे ऑल दी वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम आवर बॉडी सेल्स. इट टेक्स अवे. तो इसलिए भी हमारा लाइफ सपोर्टिंग सिस्टम बन गया. ठीक है. तो नंबर 2 विल बी इट टेक्स अवे the waste products. I hope it's focusing. From the body cells. Fine. So now abhi circulatory system, it has been थोड़ा बहुत we know what circulatory system it does, functions पता लग गया, why is it important. So now अभी मैंने बताया था कि one organ or one people cannot achieve that transportation goal. So we have certain organs that work together to form this transportation system, to form this circulatory system in animals. तो अभी हम वही पढ़ने वाले हैं. तो we will be studying the parts of circulatory system. ठीक है. So our next heading will be the parts of circulatory system. It loses its focus every time. Wait. Okay. So parts of circulatory system. Fine, it's focusing. So there are three different and three main parts of the circulatory system. So कितने हैं? 3. How many? 3. Fine. 3 main parts of the circulatory system. Number 1 is the blood. Okay, it's focusing. Blood. Number 2 are the blood vessels. And number 3 is our heart. Okay. So we'll be now studying each and every part of the circulatory system in detail. So let's just start with blood. Blood. So everybody is very much familiar with the blood. How does blood it looks like. So अभी लिखना भी आना चाहिए, डिफाइन भी होना चाहिए, हमको पता होना चाहिए, ठीक है. तो how we will define blood. It's in proper focus, fine. So blood is defined as the viscous, red colored fluid. Okay, so what did I mean by this भारी भरकम शब्द viscous? ठीक है. So this viscous, it means nothing, it means thick and sticky. ठीक है. Which means गाढ़ा and चिपचिपा. ठीक है. So it means viscous colored fluid. ऐसा आपका दिखता है, आपका रेड कलर का दिखता है आपका ब्लड. ठीक है. So where does it flows? It flows in the blood vessels. Okay. Now what are the functions of the blood? So first function of the blood is it carries oxygen from lungs to each and every cell of our body. Fine. First and the foremost and very important, carries oxygen from lungs to our body cells. Okay. Now number 2, it removes all the harmful wastes from the cells of our body. ठीक है. Removes the wastes from our body cells. The next, it protects our body against the infections, from the infections. Okay. Then next function, it helps in or it regulates the temperature of our body. Fine. It lost focus. It regulates our body temperature. So these are the functions of the blood. It's losing its focus again and again. Wait. Fine. So now this blood, it again has components. ठीक है, तो blood के भी components होते हैं. तो let's just write the other heading. Components of blood. So it has two components. The blood has two components, and they are it's losing its focus, and they are number one, again lost. Okay, now fine. Number one is the plasma, and the other are the blood cells or the blood corpuscles or slash corpuscles. ठीक है, so first we'll be studying about the plasma. So it is the liquid part of the blood. ठीक है, तो ये येलोइश होता है कलर में, and it is the liquid part of the blood. ये क्या करता है, it removes all the carbon dioxide, जितने भी हमारे बॉडी के सेल्स होते हैं, it removes the carbon dioxide from the body cells and it transports that carbon dioxide to the lungs. ठीक है, फिर वो lungs से it goes out. फाइन. और नंबर 2 इसका और बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट वर्क होता है. ये जितना भी हमारे बॉडी में जो यूरिया होता है, सारा यूरिया ये हमारी बॉडी सेल्स से किडनीज़ में लेके चला जाता है, जहाँ पर वो वाटर के साथ कंबाइन होके इट एक्सपेल्स आउट. ठीक है, तो इसके बहुत ही दो मेन फंक्शन है. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को it removes from the cells of our body and takes it to the lungs, and it also takes away the urea from the cells of our body to the kidneys, from where it is expelled out. ठीक है, so what it is the, and it is yellowish in color. ठीक है, it is the yellowish liquid part of our blood. Fine. And function क्या है इसके, it carries, most appropriate word would be removes. Fine. Carbon dioxide, as I told you while explanation, carbon dioxide from the body cells to the lungs, from where it is expelled out. ठीक है, next I told was, I must put the caps of the pen. Fine. So it removes the urea, from our body cells and carries to the kidneys, from where they are expelled out. Fine. So now plasma has been completed. So now let's just explore about the blood cells or the blood corpuscles. Fine. So blood cells or slash corpuscles. Okay, so now the blood cells or the blood corpuscles, there are three different kinds of blood cells and the blood corpuscles, namely as RBCs, red blood cells, WBCs, white blood cells, and that platelets. ठीक है, तो we'll be just learning about them. So they are again of 3 different kinds, ठीक है, namely as RBCs. इसका definition I'll be telling you when we'll be studying these in details. WBCs and blood platelets. Okay, so let's just start with the RBCs, which are red blood cells, ठीक है, slash corpuscles. Okay, so now what happens is these red blood cells, red बोला गया है तो why is it red, why they are red, ठीक है. तो red blood cells, अच्छा, I need to tell you one thing more. अच्छा, when these components will get over now of these blood, I'll tell you one thing. I'll just write it over here. Okay, first it should not lose the focus. Okay, so these red blood cells, they have a oxygen carrying pigment. an ऑक्सीजन कैरिंग पिगमेंट जिसे हम हीमोग्लोबिन कहते हैं, जिसकी वजह से these which gives the red color to these corpuscles, ठीक है. इट हैज़ गॉट एन ऑक्सीजन कैरिंग पिगमेंट जिसे हम हीमोग्लोबिन कहते हैं, जिसकी वजह से these red blood cells they have got their color as red, ठीक है. तो what happens is it binds with the oxygen, ये ऑक्सीजन के साथ बाइंड अप होके ऑक्सी हीमोग्लोबिन इट फॉर्म्स, जो क्या करता है, ट्रांसपोर्ट करता है ऑक्सीजन टू ईच एंड एवरी सेल ऑफ आवर बॉडी, ठीक है. आई विल जस्ट राइट इट डाउन ऑल्सो. आई होप इट्स क्लियर. इट्स क्लियर, फाइन. सो व्हाट इट हैज़ इज they have an oxygen carrying pigment called, I am highlighting that word, okay, hemoglobin, ठीक है, which gives red color to these corpuscles. Fine. Number 2, it binds with the oxygen to form, I just told, oxyhemoglobin. It binds with the oxygen to form, again I am highlighting the word oxyhemoglobin. That transports oxygen to the body cells. So that is it for the video. In the next video we'll be studying about the 2 remaining components of the blood, and most probably we'll be studying about the blood vessels, and we'll be exploring more this chapter. So till then, take care.